Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And right now guys, I want to actually make a video on 5 easy ways to make money on on Fiverr and Upwork as a beginner without skills. Now I actually got this video request from a lady on a subscriber of this channel, and I guess she's actually subscribed. I'm actually literally want to actually give you guys how you can actually make 5 easy methods or 5 jobs you can actually do even as a beginner without skills, literally freelancing on Fiverr and on Upwork. With that being said guys, and without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. To my 10 subscribers, welcome back. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making video is being published to this channel. Thank you very much, and let's get into the video. All right guys, so that will actually lead us to the first method. But first of all, please and please, I want to actually state out some things here. And please, you need to actually note that these ways to actually make money online are not easy stuffs. Literally making money online is not an easy task. Yeah, you need to be actually consistent, you need to be patient. If you're doing something online, you need to be very, very, very patient, consistent, and hardworking. That's the 3 elements you should actually possess if you want to actually make cool money, if you want to make money on the online space. That's it, literally. And with that being said, that would actually lead us to the first one on my list. The first one on my list is actually being a virtual assistant. Now, hear me out, guys. Being a virtual assistant is literally more than what you think. And being a virtual assistant is literally offering services such as data entry jobs. Now, I'm sure most of you actually know what data entry jobs are. And literally, let's jump into Fiverr and or Upwork. I don't know which one okay, let's just work with Fiverr right now. And let's just search for data entry and see for ourselves. So we can show you that this is actually a very, very cool way for you to make money. Now, you should actually go for virtual assistants. Why I'm not actually telling you to go for virtual assistants is that you're going to be getting like there, if a client wants to actually reach out to you, they're going to be actually thinking about, okay, this person can actually do literally anything on the online space for me, and literally I'm still going to be listening out the whole things you can actually do as a virtual assistant. And as you can see here, you can actually make from $20 upward, $5 literally. Yeah, you can actually set up your gig depending on what you want to actually do, and depending on how you want to actually work. And if you're a beginner, I guess you should actually make your price ridiculously very, very low. And yeah, and also consider the charges, the Fiverr or Upwork charges, also consider it, but make your price ridiculously very, very low. And right now, that's the first one on my list, data entry jobs. If you want to actually go for virtual assistant, that's the jobs you can actually do. You can do research jobs for the clients or for the company, literally. And apart from research jobs, you can do email management for these clients. Now, email management is literally replying to emails and literally engaging with their clients or their customers via email. That's it. And scheduling of to-do lists, their to-do lists, the clients to-do lists. You can actually schedule their lists, you can schedule their day, literally. You can schedule everything depending on how this client or the company actually wants you to actually work for him or her, or literally the person. And yeah, that is it. You just work for the client and you get paid instantly, literally. That's it. And literally freelancing actually is very, very cool, because you can actually make money every single hour, depending on if you actually choose the kind of jobs to actually be an hourly paid job or a contract. That's literally like long-term job where they pay you once. Like literally, if it's 6 months, they can pay you once, thousands of dollars, depending on the kind of jobs you're doing. So literally, let's jump into the next one, the next method. That is the method 2 on how to actually make money. 5 easy ways to actually make money on Fiverr and Upwork without skills as a beginner. So the second one is actually being a social media manager. or social media management, literally. So literally, social media management is actually managing social media accounts. Now, who are you managing these social media accounts for? You're managing them for these clients that would actually reach out to you to actually give you jobs for you to actually do. Now, first of all, you need to know that you must have experience in managing social handles like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn, or anyone you are actually very, very good at. You can actually give them your portfolio, or you send them a link to your profile or the kind of jobs you've actually done, for them to see proofs. And it would actually, it would actually skyrocket your profile and make you, make them believe you, and want to actually give you the job and even more jobs in future. So literally, that is it for that. And literally, here on social media management, you can actually help businesses manage their social media accounts by creating contents, scheduling posts, and engaging with their followers. That's it. They're going to be giving you their accounts. You're going to be, as I said earlier, you are going to be creating contents for them, like posting and scheduling posts. Now you schedule the time for their posting, maybe 6 p.m. depending on how they actually want it, and engaging with their followers or their followers. So that's it for that. And how much can you actually make as a social media manager? Now let's just go to the search bar right now and search for social media manager. As you can see here, this person is actually earning from $105 upward. This person is actually earning $280 upward, $185, $120, $235, $550, because this person is actually a pro. As you can see here, Fiverr actually tagged the person as a pro. So literally, that is that for that. And you know what $550 can actually do for you in this, in this economy. And that's it. So that would actually lead us to the third method. The third method here on this video is actually graphic design. Now literally, you can actually make money using graphics design as a freelancer. You can just create simple designs such as logos, social media graphics, and business cards using softwares like Canva, different softwares. If you just go to even your Google Play Store, if you want to actually use your phone for your for your graphics, like literally my thumbnails, I literally use my phone to actually create my thumbnail for my YouTube channel. And it's actually cool because I literally use like 90% of the whole thumbnails on my channel is actually from my phone. Like I made them for my phone, so on Canva. So you can actually do that. So let's search for how you can actually, how much you can actually make as a graphic designer. So let's search for graphics designer, and let's just search for graphics design. That's it. Yeah, as you can see here, graphics design is actually earning from $10 upward. As you can see, this one is actually creating, it says create a kind of any kind of graphics design with idea. Like literally just give him an idea and he create a design for you. So right now, and this person is actually earning $75 per, and that's his minimum gig. That's the smallest gig which he actually offers. And now this person is actually making $15, $5, and $10. And let's actually use this person as a case study. So if I click on this one right now, and it's actually loaded up, give it a while. And right now, as you can see here, these actually large formats and print designs and also web graphics. Now okay, let's just say this person has actually gotten, where is this reviews? Okay, 1,317 reviews. Now let me actually tell you that not everyone that actually buys this person's product or buys this person's service would actually review. Like let's say literally not everybody will actually review. That's it. And it actually has 24 hours. You will actually deliver in 24 hours. And so as you can see here, this 1,317. Let's go to our calculator and calculate something. 1,317 times his minimum task here. So the minimum money is actually charging is $75, and this person has actually made literally almost $100,000. Now this is 98,775,775. Yeah, so literally let's actually say we are like literally I'm actually shooting this video from Nigeria. So let's say times the black market rate right now in Nigeria, which is actually around 730 or so. So 730, that's actually around 72 million naira just on graphics design. Like, and not everyone will actually go for the smaller price. Some people will actually go for this 260, and that's it, guys. You are making a whole lot of money for yourself. So enough of that. I will actually drop my mic here about graphics design. Let's go to the fourth method, how you can actually make money, as a total beginner. And let's actually, the fourth one is actually writing, like literally writing. Now, if you want to actually be a writer, it's actually very, very, very profitable if you actually know how to scale up your business and know how to actually do it for yourself. So, literally offering services like content creation. Yeah, you can actually write literally content creation and product descriptions and blog posts. Now, literally bloggers are writers, like write contents. Yeah, so let's actually search for writer and see how much they are making on Fiverr or Upwork. Now this person actually, let's use the first gig as a case study. This person have actually gotten over 1072. As you can see, 1072 reviews, and as I said earlier, not everyone will actually make a review. So let's go. Let's use this person's basic bio. $60 times $60 times 1,000. Forgetting how many reviews. 1072 reviews. Now this person have actually earned over $74,000. Now let's say this person is actually from Nigeria. Literally this person is not from Nigeria, but let's say you're actually making this kind of money and you're from Nigeria, so that's around 730 naira per dollar. This is over 46 million naira this person has actually made just from this account, just from one single account. Almost 47 million naira. Wow. Guys, there's a whole lot of money for you to actually make. And if you actually stick to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a basic tip, a bonus tip on how to actually scale up your business, where you can actually learn these skills, and make more money for yourself. Literally scale up and make money for yourself. So let's go to the next one on my list. The next one on my list is actually being a video editor or video editing. Literally video editing. Now video editing is actually a very, very lucrative business if you know how to go about it. Video editing is actually edit and actually create videos using software such as iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, and literally there are a whole lot of video editors online. If you want to actually be a professional one, you should actually go for iMovie or Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you can actually be a video editor and you make money for yourself. So let's literally search video editing on Fiverr here. Now as you can see here, this person is actually making $15, $20. As you can see here, this is actually a pro, and this person is actually making $1,500. Like literally $1,500. That's the spicy mortgage. Like, wow. That's just as you can see, pro verified, a video editor. This is the second package, and the third package is actually $5,500. Now literally, let's say you get just 2 jobs, $5,500, and that's around $10,000 or $11,000 every single month. You know how much that is in your country. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, so that's literally it. And for you to make more money for yourself, the bonus tip which I have for you guys is just to go on to YouTube and search for all these kind of jobs. Like if you want to actually go for video editing, you just go to YouTube. If you want to actually do video editing with your mobile phone or video editing with your PC, you can just go to YouTube, search for that particular skill. If it's video editing, you can search for how to do it for free or paid version. Literally, there are a whole lot of videos on YouTube. And if you want to actually get a course for yourself, you can go to seller.com, seller.co, seller. Yeah, you can go to seller. And yeah, so that's it. Without any further ado on this video, and thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.